What if I told you there's a blockchain that's fast enough to process up to 710,000 transactions per second? That's not just hype. It's Solana, a blockchain that's challenging the status quo of crypto giants like Ethereum and Bitcoin. But how does it really work, and is it worth all the buzz? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Solana is one of the most talked about blockchains today. Welcome back to Whiteboard Crypto, the #1 place to learn about crypto in a simple, visual way. In this video, we're breaking down Solana, how it achieves such incredible speeds, what makes it different from Ethereum, and whether its unique approach could be the future of blockchain technology. Let's start with what makes Solana stand out: speed. You've probably heard about Bitcoin's 10-minute block times, or Ethereum's 10-second wait. Solana, it processes a new block in just 400 milliseconds. That's nearly instant in blockchain terms. To put it in perspective, Bitcoin can handle about 7 transactions per second, Ethereum averages around 30, and Solana claims to support up to 710,000. Now, they haven't hit that max just yet, but even at 50,000 transactions per second, it's already blowing the competition out of the water. Why does this matter? Because speed and scalability are the keys to making blockchain technology mainstream. The magic behind Solana's speed is something called proof of history. Sounds complex, right? Let me break it down for you. Most blockchains need all nodes, basically computers on the network, to agree on the time a transaction occurs. They have to play a game of consensus, which takes time. Imagine you're at a huge concert, and the band asks everyone to clap at the exact same time. It's a mess, right? That's what happens with traditional blockchains. They have to coordinate all these claps. Solana takes a different approach by using timestamps, which are essentially proofs of when events happen. Think of them like timestamped receipts that let the network process transactions without waiting for everyone to agree. Here's a simple analogy. If you order multiple packages from different stores, you don't care in what order they were sent. You only care about when they arrived. Timestamps allow Solana to process multiple blocks at once, much like sorting packages by delivery date. But speed isn't everything. Another factor is smart contract execution. Ethereum uses something called the Ethereum virtual machine, where developers write code in Solidity. Solana, on the other hand, uses Rust, a different programming language. Rust is known for its speed and safety, but it's also more complex. This means developers can't just copy code from Ethereum. They need to rebuild things from scratch. While this might seem like a disadvantage, it actually results in optimized, high-performance applications that can better utilize Solana's speed quick trivia time. Did you know that Solana is named after Solana Beach in California? Founder Anatoly Yakovenko, who previously worked on optimizing wireless communication speeds at Qualcomm, loved the area and decided to name his project after it. His background in developing high-speed systems played a crucial role in making Solana what it is today. Now, let's dig into the tokenomics of Solana. Its native token, SOL, plays multiple roles on the network, from paying transaction fees to staking for rewards. And here's where it gets interesting. Solana's tokenomics are both inflationary and deflationary. Inflationary means new coins are minted as staking rewards, which increases the supply. However, Solana also has a deflationary aspect. Each transaction fee burns a small amount of SOL, reducing the overall supply. Think of it as inflating a balloon while slowly letting some air out. This combination could balance supply and demand as more people start using the network. It's important to note how SOL was initially distributed. Around 36% of the total supply was sold in early funding rounds before the ICO. While some argue that this centralized token allocation favors early investors, others see it as a way to quickly fund network development. Now, no blockchain is perfect. In December 2020, Solana had a 6-hour network outage caused by a bug that affected consensus. For a decentralized protocol, going offline is a major issue. But surprisingly, the incident didn't have a lasting impact on the token's price. Remember, Solana is still in its beta phase, meaning it's actively being tested and improved. If you're a developer, this is crucial to keep in mind when building decentralized apps, as bugs and outages could still happen. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Solana's innovative approach to blockchain will eventually replace Ethereum? Or do you see potential risks that could slow its adoption? Let me know in the comments below. Your opinions help shape our future videos. Let's take a moment to talk about security. The way proof of history works also helps secure the network by making it difficult for attackers to manipulate transaction order. Since all transactions are time-stamped, there's no way to change the order without leaving a digital fingerprint. You might wonder how Solana's approach compares to other scalability solutions, like Layer 2 networks or sharding. While Layer 2 solutions still rely on the main chain for security, Solana's design handles scalability at the base layer. This can simplify development, but also requires more computational power from validators. To wrap things up, let's quickly weigh Solana's pros and cons. On the plus side, it's extremely fast and highly scalable. The network is developer-friendly with a focus on performance. On the downside, centralization concerns and recent outages highlight some risks. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more crypto insights. We upload new videos weekly, covering everything from DeFi to NFTs, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. If you found this deep dive into Algorand insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Share it with a friend who could benefit from this. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto and join the Telegram channel.